Is your partner light skin or dark skin?
Dark.
Okay. And how long have you been dating?
It's been 2 months.
Okay. When last did you see your partner?
Yesterday.
Okay. And what is your partner's name?
Amusha.
Okay. There is a guy here. He says he's dating you.
Is dating me.
Mm.
Okay.
Do you have two boyfriends or three?
I only have one boyfriend.
Okay. Umavuthela yena. Umavusana.
Mavusana.
Mm. Niyavusana kuphela.
Angithandi Mavusana.
Niyavusana kuphela.
Angithandi Mavusana.
Khuluma naye mfethu.
Hello babe.
Hello.
Awuzwani novusi wena manje?
Nginaye umngane owuvusi.
Una umngane ovusi.
Yeah.
Ungithatheze umngane mina.
Mina didn't think ukuthi like ucabanga ukuthi like siyajola or anything. I just thought maybe like ngithatha izingane mina ngibona umngane.
Sesingabangani manje izolo masikhadlila besingabangani.
Awukhazile kusho nix.
Akusho next.
Hey.
Bengingasho next ayikho into beyisho next kuwe nje mina manginawe. Sonke lesikhathi lesi.
But ngiyasho ukuthi I didn't think like whatever that we're doing is going to lead you on, so.
But nako ekawuvela mfethu.
What do you mean? It's not like Gikinako fella. I also spend time with you, so like in Nakoyak.
Enhle kuyenzakalani enhleke.
Intenzakala ukuthi wena you think we're dating and we're not be friends. I didn't think I'd let you on.
Yini baningi velo bayenza kanje ore.
Abekho baningi nomuntu oyiwani and you are my friend.
Umuthi sona umusa teng mo. Maybe